bring the cup, I bring the plate. No need to speak, we're never late. The foam is light, the bread is warm. The day begins soft and calm. You break the brioche, I sip the cream. This quiet scene, the morning dream. No questions asked, just you and me inside this small simplicity. Brioche and flat white, you and me in soft light. Nothing loud, nothing grand, just the rhythm of your hand. Brioche and flat